So here's how to withdraw money from Fiverr. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Fiverr account. You can simply log into your Fiverr account via your Fiverr application, or you can use your Chrome browser on mobile or desktop. Then here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you click on the profile icon, now it will take you to this interface. Here you have to click on the earnings option. Once you click on the earnings option, now here as you can see the withdraw option at the top. To take a withdrawal from your app, you have to first take your initial withdrawal from desktop. Once you are here on your Chrome browser profile, now here you have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then click on the billings and payment option. Once you click on the billings and payment option, now it will take you to this interface. After that, here you have to click on the payment methods option, and once you click on it, now it will open this interface. Here you have to first set your payment method, and once you have successfully set your payment method, now you can easily take withdrawal from Fiverr. To take withdrawal from Fiverr, you must have at least $100 in your account. Once you hit the minimum criteria of the withdrawal, now you will be able to successfully withdraw from Fiverr. So that's how to withdraw money from Fiverr.